We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the FITONE Fidget Toy Pen. The Decompression magnetic fidget pen designed to relieve pressure and provide a novel toy experience for both kids and adults. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The FITONE Fidget Toy Pen is marketed as a versatile magnetic pen that can change shape, allowing users to create a variety of forms such as swords, robots, monsters, and more. This feature appeals to those who enjoy tactile play and creative expression, making it suitable for teens and adults looking for a way to pass the time, relieve stress, or simply fidget during moments of restlessness. The pen is described as both a functional writing instrument and a magnetic construction toy, blending utility with entertainment. According to the manufacturer, the pen is intended for users over the age of 15, and younger children should use it only under adult supervision due to the presence of small magnetic components. The product dimensions are 7.09 by 2.6 by 0.79 inches, with a weight of 6.4 ounces, making it portable and easy to carry in a bag or pocket. The FITONE Fidget Toy Pen has achieved a bestsellers rank of 169,737 in Toys and Games, and is ranked 524th in Magnet Toys, indicating moderate popularity within its niche. On Amazon, it has received a customer rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars based on 31 ratings, reflecting a mix of positive and negative experiences. Users consistently highlight the pen's appeal as a unique and engaging gift. One reviewer mentioned that they discovered the product after their 16-year-old grandson requested it for Christmas. Upon purchasing multiple pens for several grandchildren, the reviewer noted that the pens were a hit across a range of ages from 11 to 19, with all recipients immediately engaging with the toy after opening their gifts. This suggests that the pen has broad appeal among teenagers and young adults, making it a popular choice for group gifting or family events. Another positive aspect frequently mentioned is the pen's visual appearance and material quality. Some users describe it as beautiful, diverse, and durable, with fast logistics and an overall impression that it is worth buying again. The ability to create countless imaginative shapes, patterns, and puzzles is cited as a strong point, especially for those who enjoy hands-on activities or need a distraction during periods of anxiety or stress. The pen's magnetic construction allows for a high degree of customization, enabling users to fidget, build, and experiment with different forms, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with ADHD or those who benefit from sensory stimulation. However, the FITONE Fidget Toy Pen is not without its drawbacks. Several reviewers report significant issues with durability, noting that the exterior coating of the pen tends to flake and fall off after limited use. Some users experience breakage shortly after purchase, with the pen arriving damaged or failing to withstand the rigors of daily handling, especially when carried in a backpack. This raises concerns about the longevity of the product, particularly for those who intend to use it frequently or transport it alongside other items. In addition to durability concerns, some users express disappointment with the pen's functionality as a magnetic construction toy. A number of reviewers state that the magnetic components do not always stay in position as advertised, making it difficult to maintain certain shapes or structures. This can be frustrating for users who are drawn to the product for its creative potential, only to find that their constructions collapse or fail to hold together as expected. The writing performance of the pen is not a major focus in most reviews, suggesting that users primarily view it as a fidget or novelty item rather than a primary writing instrument. Nonetheless, the dual-purpose design may appeal to those who appreciate multifunctional gadgets. The product's moderate weight and compact size make it convenient for on-the-go use, but the risk of damage when stored in a bag should be taken into account. The FITONE Fidget Toy Pen is manufactured in China and distributed by FITONE, with the model number ASD65SDA and ASIN B0 BMTV-QZH1. The packaging is compact and the product is lightweight, which contributes to its portability. While some users praise the fast shipping and attractive design, others caution that the pen's construction may not withstand heavy use or rough handling. In summary, the FITONE Fidget Toy Pen offers a unique blend of creativity, stress relief, and tactile engagement, making it an appealing choice for teens, young adults, and anyone who enjoys fidget toys or magnetic construction sets. Its ability to transform into various shapes and forms provides entertainment and a creative outlet, while its compact size and portability make it easy to carry and use in different settings. However, potential buyers should be aware of the reported issues with durability and magnetic stability, which may impact the overall user experience. The pen's appeal as a gift item is evident from multiple positive reviews, particularly for group gifting occasions such as holidays or birthdays. The product's visual appeal and creative possibilities are strong selling points, but the risk of breakage and the need for careful handling should be considered before purchase. For those who value novelty, creativity, and sensory engagement, the FITONE Fidget Toy Pen may be a worthwhile addition to their collection, provided they are mindful of its limitations. If you have used this product, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel.